There's always one subject that will forever probably be confusing to many people, and that's the 84 Mahasiddhas. Uh, Now, in some textbooks, in some publications, not really textbooks, but popular Buddhist Dharma publications, there's this notion that there's a standardized 84 Mahasiddhas. Well, this doesn't exist. The 84 Mahasiddhas appears really to be a creation of the 12th century, early 12th century, mid 12th century. Fine. We have three systems that appear in Tibetan painting. We have three systems of 84 Mahasiddhas. We have the Abhayadatta, which is also Abhayakara, the famous Indian abbot. We have the Vajrasana system, and we have the Shrisena system. Shrisena system is basically out of Nepal, and the Vajrasana is very likely to be out of Nepal as well. And all three systems appear to be written originally in Tibetan language, not in Sanskrit or Nepali or Prakrit. So we have these three systems. And aside from these three systems that appear in Tibet with scrollwork paintings, either in a single composition with all 84 Mahasiddhas or in a set of three paintings or more, then we have mural systems, and we have the Dunhuang, we have the Gyaltse, we have the Alchi, we have the Ladakh systems that can be found. We have the Kunchok Ling murals. Now the Kunchok Ling belongs to the Vajrasana system, but the Dunhuang is not identified, and the Gyaltse is independent and different. Now, it's possible the Alchi is more a later addition to Alchi murals, and painted on the legs of the Manjushri, very tall Manjushri. I don't know what it is. It must be 5-6 meters tall. But that system could very likely be the Abhayakara system. It's possible. It's possible. And then there's Ladakhi systems, which aren't clearly identified as being Abhayakara, Abhayadatta, or Vajrasana. Now, if we want to look at just paintings in a single composition, so one painting, and taking Vajradhara as the central figure, and then we try and establish what is the system of 84 Mahasiddhas, then on the Himalayan Art Resources website, we actually have 16 paintings of Vajradhara accompanied by the 84 Mahasiddhas. And if we parse these systems, if we divide them up, only one of the paintings uses the Abhayadatta, Abhayakara system. 11 paintings use the Vajrasana system. 2 paintings use the Shrisena system, which seemed more popular early on with the Sakya tradition, and Shalu. And then we have 2 unknown. And now the 2 unknown are either going to be Vajrasana or Shrisena, or they're going to be other. They're going to be a different system that's not identified at this point. Now, how do we really differentiate between these systems? Well, first of all, they don't all have the same Mahasiddhas. There's probably a core 20 or 30 Mahasiddhas from India and Sri Lanka and elsewhere that are shared between these three systems. But then the remaining 2/3 or more of the Mahasiddhas are different. Now, surely some of them will be different by name, but maybe just using a different name, but implying the same Mahasiddha. Sure, that's possible. And some scholars have done some research into that. But what's important here is to understand that these are Tibetan systems of just trying to organize the Indian tantric teachers, the founders of the different practices, such as Hevajra, Chakrasambhara, Guhya Samaja, Vajrabhairava, Kala Chakra. And remember, these are Sarma related. They're not Nyingma related in any way. So Vajrasana is by far the system that appears to be most popular by just looking at what is single composition scrollwork paintings. Now, there are 5 or 6 other paintings that do not have Vajradhara at the center. They have alternate central figures, and what they are is an unidentified teacher, lama, monk, Tibetan, then possibly Tsangyong Haruka in another painting, and then a Padampa Sangye, and then a Tsongkhapa. And with these systems, then I think 2 of them, 3 of them are Abhayadatta, and 1 is unknown. So what we see really is we see that there's a lot of difference, because these scrollwork paintings are coming in different styles from different regions of Tibet and from different time periods. So we cannot say that there's a definitive 84 Mahasiddhas which belongs to a specific tradition. It doesn't exist. We have lots of different traditions. We have scrollworks, and then we have mural paintings, and we have a number of unidentified systems of 84 Mahasiddhas where it's not clear what the source text is or who all of the different Indian teachers are. So we'll leave it there. You can press like, you can subscribe, you can join Horror on Patreon, and you can make a year-end donation to Himalayan Art Resources on the homepage.